Hello and welcome to this brief video demonstrating how to install the Schedule Reports add-on from Cumulus for Sage CRM. Sage CRM is very good at running reports and dashboards out of the system, but these reports are generally run by the user by selecting the Reports option, the report, some filters, and then running the report out of the system. Quite often, we're asked for the ability to be able to send reports straight out of Sage CRM automatically on a schedule to customers. And because of this, we wrote the Cumulus Qreations Schedule Reports add-on. There's a separate video you can watch to see how that add-on works. This video is going to cover off the installation process. First off, if we just look at the installation files we require, we can see here I have a Qreations component and a Cumulus Reporting Installer. If I run the Cumulus Reporting Installer and just select Next, agree to the terms, select Next, we then get a folder to install the base software into. The reporting add-on needs to be installed into a specific folder because we've written our own custom synchronizer that queries the Sage CRM database and generates the data and sends a report back out from there. Select Next, give it the access to the database, so we're just going to type in the Sage CRM SA password and SA SQL user. Click Next and install. That will install our automation service, configure all of the options, and create a set of folders that we then need to use to load the add-on into Sage CRM. While that's loading, if I go back to Sage CRM and just log in, I need to install two components. The first component is a raw component for all of the add-ons for Sage, for the Cumulus Sage CRM add-ons. This is our Qreations add-on. It is used to license to various add-ons that we provide. We can do this by going to Customization, Component Manager, and selecting Browse. Browsing to the desktop and selecting the Qreations component. We uploaded this into the system, click on Qreations and click on Install, and then Install. This will use the standard Sage CRM component installer and install the various files required. And while that's doing that, we can see that the Cumulus Reporting Synchronizer is finished. So I'm going to click Finish on there. Click Continue, and we can see now we've got a new Qreations option down the bottom. If I select the Qreations and go to the Qreations license option, I can see that currently we haven't got a key to license any Qreations add-ons. All I need to do to create a key, as with all of the Cumulus add-ons, is to click the Get and Create Trial Key button. That will then generate a trial key. We can see here the expiry date, the validated against server, and the available modules. As you can see here, the key that's used has expired, and there are only the quick quote and connect marketing modules available for us to use. If you have any issues with keys, all you need to do is contact Cumulus either via support@cumulus-solutions.com or to phone us up on 01789 332 130 and just let us know the license key details that you have. We can then update that key remotely, for example, adding on Qreations Reports add-on, and also update the expiry date on the key. Once we've done that, all you need to do to update that key with the new properties is select the Update Key option. And when this happens, you can see that the Q Reports or Schedule Reports add-on has been added to the system. Now we need to install the Schedule Reports component. So we come onto the component option, select Browse, and now we can browse to the installation folder within the system into Cumulus Reports. And from within here, there'll be a CRM component folder. We select the Cumulus.reporting add-on, upload, select the available component and click Install. Click Install Component and select Yes to run the component installer. This will then add in the functionality in the front end of Sage CRM to be able to allow us to configure reports. And once that's done, we can select the Continue option to go back to the main CRM. Once we've uploaded the components, I can now go to the Qreations option and select the Schedule Reports option in the menu. And I'll be displayed a list of any reports that have been set up. Obviously, this is brand new, so there are no reports. All we need to do now is create the report configuration. We select New, and select our report. The list of reports available are the reports that are configured within the reports categories. I'm just going to use the open cases by agent report. So I'm going to do %agent to find the report. Select my customer care open cases by agent. If there's a report save search available, you can select the relevant save search to send from here. And then we need to specify what we want to export as. We can have CSV, XLSX, HTML, or PDF. I'm going to select PDF. I can then select the email template I wish to attach the report to. I'm going to select my schedule reports template. Finally, we can specify who we want to send this email schedule report to. I can type in my email address. Or I can select various recipients from the user list inside CRM. Once that's all ready, all I need to do is click Save to save the report configuration. Once the report is saved, the final thing to do is to set up the schedule that I want the report to be sent from. To do this, I can click Add Schedule. I have the ability to select my type, such as minutes, daily, monthly, or even run via a cron job. I can select daily, and I want my report to go out every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. I can, if I want to, unselect various different days. I can specify the date and time I want this to start on. So I want this to start from Monday at 9 o'clock. This will mean that every report will be sent every day at 9 o'clock. I can also specify an end date if I only want this report to be sent for a month. If you don't want to specify an end date, just leave it blank. And click Save. That will then save the schedule, and this report will now be run every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday at 9 o'clock. However, I can also specify other schedules. So I could, for example, say that I also want it to be sent at the beginning of each month at 2 o'clock, and click Save. That will then run this report every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday at 9 o'clock, and also every first of every month at 2 o'clock. To test, I can click the Run Immediately option. This will send the report to the list with the various details of the emails and configuration. And I can even view the report history to see when this report has been sent out. I hope you've found this quick configuration video useful. If you want to find out more about this add-on or any other add-ons from the Qreations set of add-ons for Sage CRM, please go to our website at www.cumulus-solutions.com.